Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for checking out today's video. I just got home from work and there was a package on my porch. It was finally my interior kit. I got a kit for the interior of the car that's going to be a bunch of add-on panels. So like stick on, you know how you would buy a piece of carbon fiber trim that would stick on the dash. This is the same thing. It's just like a faux carbon. So none of it's actually real. It's like a printed carbon. But I took it out. It looks decent. The thing is, real carbon is really expensive and the interior of this car looks really boring. And I kind of want to do something to bring a little bit more depth to it and a little more character to it. So I'll show you guys what the pieces look like. We'll kind of see what they look like on the car, how many pieces I got. If you guys don't mind fake carbon fiber, I think this stuff looks really nice. If you're like me and you prefer real carbon fiber, it's going to be a hell of a lot more expensive to do the same thing with real carbon. With all the pieces that are in this kit. So I have the box here full of these pieces and there's a lot of them. And of course, here's the faux carbon. I mean, it's definitely fake. You're not fooling anybody. It's definitely a carbon print. If you're okay with that and it might look fine. There's already fake carbon fiber on the inside of the car and it's silver and looks terrible. So this might be a good solution to hide that for now. And my theory is, if I don't like the way this looks, what I'll do is I'll sand all this stuff down and paint it like gloss black to give more depth to the inside of the car. Either way, we're gonna test fit some of these so you guys can see what they look like on the car, see how it wraps around. There's a lot of pieces in here to install. I might just kind of partially install everything so you can see it. Some of the parts I'm probably not gonna use, but I'll show you the ones that I am. I'll show you what they all look like, but we'll get it out of the box and we'll get them on the car. So here's everything that comes in the kit. We have some window switch panels, one for each door. There's a lot of stuff in here. The shifter trim, the front defroster vent trim, the front vent trim, panel cover that goes for the trunk pop and all that stuff. Some trim for the back door panels. We have some trim for the steering wheel. We have a couple of little trim pieces for the power seat. Trim for the front door panel, trim for the back door panel. This is a full centerpiece, so there's a lot in here. There's a lot of pieces to this kit. So if you're okay with this fake carbon fiber, I think this is a really good value. You're getting a lot for the money. We're gonna install every piece, see how it looks. Did come with some extra 3M tape, but everything in here already has 3M tape on it. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe everything down in the interior with isopropyl alcohol, so just know that I already did that. And then we'll install all this stuff. So I'll show you how it all looks. So we have our first panel here. This is a nice deep shine, and you'll see this is just going to go over the control cover here. And that just adds some depth, some color. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But I think it's a nice fit. The quality's there. It's a really nice fit. It fits really snug. It goes in between the buttons, unlike some of them where they're just like right on top and they don't actually drop down like these do to hide that piece as well. So I think that looks good. Once it's paired with the piece to cover up that ugly silver carbon, that'll work out. So I'm gonna install all the pieces. All you're gonna have to do is peel the 3M tape on the back of this sucker and stick it down. It's really that simple. So I'm gonna go ahead, test fit everything, and then I'll show you guys each panel, where it goes, and you can see how it looks. Okay guys, so I fitted everything that I could. I don't have a power seat, so I was unable to fit the power seat buttons. And for some reason, the steering wheel controls look like they are out of a VA WRX, so maybe they sent me the wrong ones here, but none of these are going to fit my car because these are designed for the VA WRX steering wheel and not the VB chassis, so none of these are even close to fitting because they're for the wrong body style. But aside from those pieces, you can see here, there's the trim panel for the traction control, trunk pop, all that fun stuff. Here's a little ring that goes around the vent there, and then we'll come back to the door. You can see that door switch again and the replacement there for the door handle. We'll kind of show you there's the defrost vent. And then if we look over to the passenger side, you can see what that kind of looks like when it's all closed up. Same exact situation as what's on this side. This is the spicy part. This is the center console, and I think this looks really nice actually. It just brings some depth to the center of the vehicle. It's actually a really nice fit. You can see there that it doesn't interfere with any of the mechanisms inside of the cup holders, and then it actually goes all the way down into that cubby, and then it's not shiny in there. So it's like a nice dull look. I think that actually looks really nice, and I didn't actually tape this down so you can see this doesn't quite cover the silver trim. You can kind of see it a little bit. on either side. So I might leave that one off if I choose to keep all this on, and it'll just kind of be like that. And we also have these vent trim panels here. Then here is the back panel. I'm a little disappointed there wasn't a piece that covers all of that fake black carbon there, and it just kind of goes around the door handle. It just kind of blends in. It really doesn't do a whole lot there, but you can see it on the window switch. Here you can see it from the other side looking in. I gotta be honest with you guys, I got this sort of as an experiment, see what it looks like, give you guys a video. Now you have an idea. I'll be honest, this kit, it comes with some decent pieces. I think these window trim pieces are really nice. I think these pieces here are actually really nice. Like overall, I think that does look pretty good when you come in here and you see a little bit of shiny black instead of all that, flat trim on the door. I think that does look good. And this center console piece, I think, is really nice. I think it's a really nice statement. And I think it would be even better if that piece there was just a little bit, it covered that silver up a little bit better, which is a bummer. But at the end of the day, this is a relatively cheap kit. Of course, these are all just plastics with 3D print carbon on them, but it looks pretty nice. So I'll be honest with you guys, I think I'm going to keep this kit, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to install these vent trim pieces. I'm not going to install this piece here. I think I'm going to leave it with just these two door panel pieces for right now. And then on the back side, I am going to leave it with just these, and I'm going to take these pieces off. I don't think those would actually come out that easy. I just did one piece of 3M to test it. And then, of course, because this isn't fitting perfectly, I will take that out also. So we'll have the center console piece, we'll have both the door panel pieces, and the back door panel pieces, and that'll be it. But once I get some more real carbon on the interior, it's definitely going to conflict pretty bad. So at that point, I might keep these around and paint them gloss black. Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys taking the time to check it out. Hopefully this was helpful for you, gave you something fun to watch. I'll leave a link in the description to this kit if you are interested in it. I found it on eBay. The link is down there below. I'll see you in the next video.